10th Standard History Unit 7 Freedom Movement. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. First main, answer the following questions. First question, what is called as the age of moderates? Mention the major leaders of moderates. Answer is, traditionally the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as the age of moderates. The major leaders of moderates were W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Second question, who are called as radicals? Write the main members of radical group. The group congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called as radicals. The main members of radical group, Arvind Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Third question, what were the reasons for the partition of Bengal? The anti-British sentiment was dominant in Bengal. It was the center of anti-British protests. In reality, Bengal had more concentration of Muslim and Hindu people. The census report had indicated that the east part of Bengal had more number of Muslims and the west part of Bengal had more number of Hindus. The British thought of suppressing the spirit of national freedom struggle with the partition of Bengal. In order to suppress these developments, Viceroy Lord Curzon thought of dividing Bengal in the name of administration. These were the reasons for the partition of Bengal. Fourth one, describe the struggle against the partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was opposed by Indian National Congress. Still, the Bengali language could unite the Hindu and Muslim communities. Raksha Bandhan cultural festival was held to bring in unity among Hindus and Muslims. The partition of Bengal resulted in the widespread protests across the country. The radicals took the issue to the doorsteps of common people. They called for boycotting of foreign goods and the institutions that encourage it. Indians were encouraged to use local goods. These are all about the struggle against the partition of Bengal. Question number 5. Explain the role of revolutionaries in the independence movement. Revolutionaries dreamed of attaining complete freedom. They believed that they can drive away the British by employing violent methods. They established secret associations across the country and started collecting weapons and money for an armed struggle against the British. They provided training also. The secret organizations like Lotus and Dagger, Gadhar Party, Abhinav Bharata, and Anushilana Samiti were formed. They used bombs and guns to achieve their goal. The government tried to suppress them by arresting them and hanging them unto death on the charge of sedition. These are all about the role of revolutionaries in the independence movement. Sixth one, who are the prominent revolutionaries leader? The prominent revolutionary leaders were Arvindo Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Ashwini Kumar Datta, Rajanarayana Bose, Sitaram Rajguru, Chapekar brothers, Vishnu Shastri. Shamaji Krishna Varma, Ras Bihari Bose, Madam Kama, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil. Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jatindra Das. These are the prominent revolutionary leaders.